What is going on, quarantine ladies and gentlemen? Cole Simonson here. A lot's happened last few weeks. We're all kind of going crazy about it, and they finally shut down my gym, so I'm stuck in a tiny office. But that's not stopping me getting ready for camping and hunting and hiking this year. So today we are bringing you a really easy at-home workout where you only need 2 pieces of equipment. All you need is a backpack, hunting pack, hiking pack, whatever you use when you're up in the mountains on a day trip or an overnight trip. And what we're going to do is we'll actually fill it with stuff that we use during that day or two up in the mountains. So roughly your pack's going to be anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds. If you want more weight, just add your hydro pack filled with water or a couple bottles of water. Really, really simple. You don't need any metal weights to go in here. You just use household objects. The workouts we're going to do are very simple workouts. They're easy. And you'll only need one item other than your pack for one of the workouts, and that is just a chair. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. I'm going to make this simple and easy for you to follow along. It should take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes depending on how fast you want to go, but it will get you active and it will keep the juices flowing pretty much. So here we go. Let's get our leg day in. Alright guys, first workout is pack squats. So we're going to get our pack on here. Remember, these are just body weight and pack. So make sure your pack's comfy right where you want it to be so it's not moving around too much, just like you would do when you're out hiking or hunting or fishing. Okay? And all we're going to do is we're just going to do a regular body squat and come up. Make sure you get full range of motion here. We have somewhat lightweight on our back, so we're mainly just focusing on our form and our reps right here. So all we're going to do right here is we're just going to go down and come up, okay? We're going to do 4 sets of 25 with 1 minute of rest in between each of those sets. So try to do these as fast but as clean and quality as you can. So it's just going to look a lot like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a side view. 6, 7, 8. So you guys get the gist of it. We're going to do that 4 sets of 25. Make them fast. Get that heart rate up. And when you're done with those, meet me at the next exercise. So our next exercise is backwards lunges. Okay, so all we're going to do here, we have our pack on. Our pack will be our essential weight the whole workout. Okay, all you're going to do, start off like you're going to do a squat, but instead of squatting, we're going to actually reach back, go down just to where your knee just barely grazes the floor, and come back up. It's going to look just like that. We're going to alternate doing these. So that's 1. That's 2. We're going to do this for 4 sets of 12. 1 minute rest in between. When you guys get done with those, meet me on the next one. So this is the Pact Thrust. This is when our chair comes in handy. Now you can use any chair for this. Right now I'm going to just use my standard office chair. We're going to come in here and all we're going to do is we're just going to set this up like so. Okay, we just have this chair set up. If you want to, you can back it up against the wall so you make sure it doesn't move. It's pretty stable with carpet underneath, but if you have wood flooring or something like that, make sure you're against the wall. And all we're going to do is we took off our pack, and our pack is going to be used as a weight on our hips here, okay? And we're going to actually do a hip thrust with the pack as weight. So looks a lot like this. I have this pack right over my hips here. We're just gonna sink our hips down and thrust up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're gonna do that for 4 sets of 12. When you thrust up, make sure you're really extending those hips up. Get into full extension on this. If the pack's too heavy for you during this, take out some weight. Just make sure you get the full range of motion on this workout. It is a glute burner, and it's absolutely a fantastic workout, especially for our hikers and mountain hunters. Final workout of the day is pistol squat. So we're gonna grab our pack again. Got our pack on. This one may require some help if you are not very well balanced. During this workout, if you're not very well balanced, you can use your chair again. You can use a wall. You can use a desk, anything like that. And what a pistol squat is it's just a one-legged squat. And you go down and you come up. Now, a lot of us don't have a very good range of motion on one leg or another, or both legs. So just go as low as you can without pain or any type of stress on your body, and then come back up. Okay, we're going to do 4 sets of 5 to 8. These are more difficult, so our reps are going to be lower. If you struggle with them, get in the most quality ones you can. Remember, quality over quantity. So here's a side view of our pistol squat. We're going to stand on one leg, extend, we're going to sink it down. It's 1. Okay. That's 2. We're going to do 4 sets of 5 to 8 of those. Don't go too low to where your knee overextends over your toes. And also don't stay up too high to where it's just looking like this, okay? You want to get the full range of motion during this exercise, but you don't want to put stress on your knees. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. It'll get you sweating, it'll get you moving, it'll break the monotony up that's going on right now. I just really hope you guys are doing well during this whole ordeal. Just gotta keep moving, keep focused on the long-term goal. Don't let this trying time take you away from your goals. If you guys want more workouts, there's an app called My Transformation app, provided by First Form Supplements. They are actually doing free home workouts right now on their app. The app is completely free. Just go in, download it. Underneath the workouts, it'll say home workout. Click on it. It'll give you everything you need to at least maintain your strength and conditioning during this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You do this, it'll start preparing you for the camping and hunting season, and it'll just keep your mind focused off of this trying time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more arms, chest, shoulders, back workouts, ab workouts, and I'm actually going to do a mental strength video on here, how I keep my mind right and in the right place during this time and every time I'm up in the mountains. You won't want to miss that. It will help out anyone and everyone who struggles with loneliness, mental fatigue, depression, and other aspects that come with being alone and unsocial. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, please, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me out a ton, and it'll let you see these videos more often. So you guys have a great season and be safe.